Welcome back. I'm still your online math tutor. In our last lesson, we looked at how to expand algebraic expressions by removing the bracket. And I also went on to explain what algebraic expressions are. So if you are coming across my video for the first time, do well to subscribe and also check for the last lesson for better understanding. So today, in our lesson today, we are going to look at how to expand algebraic expression in the form A open bracket B plus C and also A open bracket B minus C. And we have 4 examples here that we are going to solve together. So I want you to pay attention as we take them one after the other. So the first one, we have 2A open bracket 4B plus C. So for us to expand this, we are going to multiply everything here using 2A. Alright, now I want you to look at this. We are multiplying 4B with 2A and also C with 2A. We are not just multiplying only 4B with 2A, rather 4B and C with 2A. So let's go on. We have 2A times 4B plus 2A times C. Multiplying these two, we are going to have 8AB. And multiplying these two, we are going to have plus 2AC. Now, if you look at this, we are not having the numbers that are alike, all right? For instance, here we have AB and here we have AC. They are not like terms. So we are leaving our answer as this. This becomes our final answer. So let's go over to example number 2. Now, here we have 5x plus 2, open bracket, 6 plus 5x. Now, expanding this, we are multiplying everything here with 2, just 2, only 2, and not 5x. Alright? Reason we are using only 2 is because 2 is in front of this. And this thing here simply means multiplication. Alright? So we're going to have this 5x will still stand on its own. 5x plus 2 times 6 plus 2 times 5x. So we have 5x, 2 times 6 is 12, plus 2 times 5x will give us 10x. Now here we have the ones that are like terms. We have 5x here, we have 10x here, so they are alike. So we are bringing them together. We have 5x plus 10x plus 12. Adding these two will give us 15x plus 12. This will be our final answer. We cannot add this to 12. Reason because they are not like terms. This 12 is a constant, while this is a variable. Alright? And here we have x here, while we don't have x here. So they are not like terms. We cannot add them together. We are going to leave our final answer as this. So moving over to the next example, where we have minus 5, open bracket, a minus 4. We are going to expand it by multiplying everything here by minus 5. Not just 5, but minus 5. With this sign inclusive, it is very important that you include the sign to avoid unnecessary mistakes. All right? So we're going to have minus 5 times a minus 5 times minus 4. Multiplying these two, you're going to have minus 5a. Then multiplying these two, minus 5 times minus 4, you're going to have plus 20. Alright? Reasons because minus times minus will give us plus. Alright? Same thing as plus times plus will give us plus. Then minus times plus will give us minus. Plus times minus will give us minus. So here we have minus times minus. We're having this sign here. Now looking at this, 5 minus 5a and 20, they are not like terms. So this becomes our final answer. So let's go to the last example. Expanding this, we are going to multiply everything here using 5x. So let's go. 5x times 6y plus 5x times minus 5z. We know that this 5s is positive. That's why we're having plus 5. Then we are multiplying it by minus 5z. So 5s times 6y will give us 30xy. Now, plus 5x times minus 5z will give us minus 25xz. Why this minus sign? Now watch. Plus times minus is minus. Plus times minus, minus 25xz. Now these two, they are not like terms. We have xy here, while we have xz there. So you cannot add them or subtract them. Okay? So I'm leaving our answer as this. Now I want you to do this particular one. Do it and comment your answer, and I'm going to check it and score you. Task. Want you to expand 10 minus n minus 2. Do it and comment your final answer. And if you know this video has helped you, do well to hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss any new video that I'll be posting. Alright, so see you in my next lesson, still in algebraic expression.